Hello anak, Apo. This is only I can share with you, no, through the years of my being in the, as an artist. If, parang tatlo lang emotion, ano, na sinasabi ng mommy mo sa akin. Pain, joy, anger. Yun lang, you have to decide. Kasi iba ang theater. Ang theater talaga kailangan hanggang doon sa last row of your audience must feel. Okay, gusto mo, suabe, quality ang movement mo. But the special expression na feel nila yan. Pag sinabi mong joy, joy talaga, talaga ang grinning mo is up to the ears. Ganon talaga, pati ang mata mo nag-glee on your eyes. Lahat yan, yun ang joy. Kahit sabihin mo seconds lang, kailangan ma-project mo yun. Joy, kahit nag-watch ka, ganyan, eye contact, so kung sino yung kasama mo. And when you grieve naman, talagang grieve if you have to hurt yourself, it's yung walang nakakaalam, kinukurot mo na yung upo. Grieve talaga, yung talagang may rating pain. Kung may paano pa ng balikat, kung if you have to look at the sky, gano'n, once in a while, gano'n. Para hindi stationary, kasi hindi mababasa yan eh. Grieve, talaga may papikit-pikit pa ng mata, kahit tapos pag anger naman, talagang buhay na buhay ka. Kasi gusto mo talaga mag-attack. Ganun, merong jerk emotion. Ganun, anger. If you have to open your mouth, you have to open your mouth. Show your teeth. Ganun. Yeah, grinning again. Pero iba. So, iba ang joy. Iba ang joy. Iba ang joy. Iba ang grief. Iba ang pain, stabbing pain. Feel mo yan. If you have to close your eyes in a blink of seconds, you have to do it. Pagka anger naman, ganun din. With open eyes, gritting your teeth. Ganun, iba. Yun, yun lang masasabi ko. At saka, yun, practice mo sa salamin, paulit-ulit hanggang your show. Tapos makikita mo na mahirap talaga mag-shift. Pero yun na, acting eh. Yun lang masasabi ko, anak. Yun lang maano ko. So, pag nandun ka na, wala na yan. Go with the flow ka na. Go with the music. Go with your emotion. Yun lang. Hindi na pag-aaralan yan. Mahirap ituro ng director yan eh. Kasi the main fact na pinili ka, ikaw na yan. That's you already. Okay? Tatlo lang naman yung emotion. Happy ka talaga. Happy. Jumping with joy. Glee on your face. Sa pain, talagang if you have to shrug yourself, if you have to, sa anger naman, talagang shooting, talagang gusto mo manuntok. Ganun lang. Controlled emotion, pero makikita yan sa iyong hinga. You have to get deep breath. Hinga mo. Yun. Yeah? Good luck sa'yo, anak. I'm proud of you. You can make it. Don't worry. Okay? You can make it. Ano lang. Nobody's perfect, but you're trying to be the best among the best. Okay? Congrats!